Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, where we give you wholesome and juicy entertainment fit for royalty like you. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and of course turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's dive in straight into what we have for you today. Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday, 14th of January 2023. Our topic today says, only by grace. Our text is taken from Romans chapter 9 verse 15 to 26. Romans chapter 9 verse 15 to 26. And our memory verse is taken from John chapter 15 verse 16. John 15:16, and it reads, Ye have not chosen me, but I have chosen you and ordained you that ye should go and bring forth fruit, and that your fruit should remain, that whatsoever ye shall ask of the Father in my name, he may give it to you. John chapter 15 verse 16. Now to the message. Some people think that God is doing great things for them because they deserve it. They think because of all that they do for God, then it is only expected that He would bless them as He does. Believe me honestly, everything that God does, He does for His name's sake, not for you, but that His name will be glorified. You see that in Psalm 106 from verse 7 to 8. Don't be arrogant. God could use anyone else. There are people who pray, study the Bible, and are even more talented than you, but God chose you. You should be grateful for that. In any case, if we are about to count iniquity, who will stand? Psalm 130 verse 3. When people see God doing great things in the Redeemed Christian Church of God, they think I must be special. The only thing special about me is that God chose me, because even from as far back as when I was a little child, God promised my father in the Lord that the Redeemed Christian Church of God will go around the world. It had nothing to do with me at all. God just decided to glorify Himself through His church, and it is only by grace that He chose me to be the general overseer. He could have chosen anyone else. There are people far more qualified than I, but it is by grace that I was chosen. When you see people still drowning in sin, don't judge them because you are on your way to heaven. Rather, pray that God will save them by His grace. It is by His grace that you are not the one on the way to hell. Never forget that it is He who is working something out for His name. You are only graced to be a recipient of God's blessing. The people of Israel may have thought that God parted the Red Sea and drowned Pharaoh and his army because they were so special. He did it for His name's sake. They were only graced to be the ones He did it for. Romans 9 verse 17 testifies to this. For the scriptures said unto Pharaoh, even for this same purpose have I raised thee up, that I might show my power in thee, and that my name might be declared throughout the earth. Our prayer point for today says, Father, thank you for your grace over my life. Please don't let me ever stop enjoying help from your throne of grace. Amen. The Open Heavens Devotional is written by the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, and was presented to you by Lawuru Favor here on Favors Blog. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We trust you were thoroughly entertained. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Until we come your way again with another exciting video, do not forget this is still Favors Blog.